Hi everyone, welcome back. On today's episode we're going to be building a Jedi Master. Welcome to my LEGO life. Hey guys, so on this week's episode we're going to be building the Yoda set. Now Yoda is one of my favourite Jedi. I remember watching Empire Strikes Back many years ago and seeing how old and frail Yoda was, and then seeing how badass he is taking on Count Dooku in Attack of the Clones. So I like Yoda so much that I even named my cat after him. Everybody meet Yoda. Hello. Say hello. And there he goes. So I'm really looking forward to building this set today. Now I have to admit guys, I actually purchased this one off of eBay. It was a really good price, so I thought why not. Now that being said, the box is in really good condition and I've had a look at the instructions as well and they're fine. I'm just hoping that all the pieces are still there. Well, let's have a look.
This set was released on the 4th of October 2019. As well as the main build, you also receive a LEGO minifigure Yoda. The model number is 75255, it retails about £90. There is a link in the description below if you want to purchase your own. So, on to the build. And here is Yoda complete. It stands at a whopping 41 centimeters tall. How cool is the minifigure with the stand?
Well guys, that's another set complete, and I have to say I'm quite relieved that all 1,771 pieces were all there. Now that is a lot of pieces for such a little guy. That being said, he is quite sturdy and packed. His toes and his feet wiggle, and so do his fingers, so you can open them. Now you can make his eyes and his eyelids move as well, so he can look angry or a bit sad. So his head turns slightly to the left and right. Basically it looks like he's saying no. Should I buy more Lego? And I do like his little hood on the back as well. I think that's pretty cool. All in all, I'm really impressed with this set, and I have to say I probably will use eBay as well going forward. If you've liked today's video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you've used eBay for any purchases and how that's worked out for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon as well to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.